Hello everybody, and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So what we're gonna make today is a painkiller, right? Painkillers are getting pretty famous now. I've been to a few bars or restaurants that have them on the menu. So traditional painkiller is made with this Pusser's rum. It's a British rum because this is a drink that was made in the 70s down in the British Virgin Islands. Anyway, use a dark rum. This is a British Navy Pusser's rum. It is about 42%, so about 84 proof. First, we're going to go with 2 ounces of our rum. Next, we're going to go 4 ounces of pineapple juice. You can get a more organic, freshly squeezed pineapple juice, but if you're at home and you make cocktails, you probably have these around. We're going to go 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Then we're going to go 1 ounce of orange juice. You want to do freshly squeezed? You can do freshly squeezed. But this was freshly squeezed into this bottle. Last, we're going to go 1 ounce of cream of coconut. So this is like a twist to the pina colada. Then we want to give it a good shake. Because the cream of coconut is pretty thick. We got our glass with ice. Now, if you got some fancy hurricane glasses, it goes better in that. Well, it looks better in that. But again, this is a home bar, and I don't have that. This works just fine. So what we got here is a painkiller. Cheers. Solid. I had one last night, and this tastes just as good. Traditionally, you would garnish this with like some fresh nutmeg, but I'm not just really into garnishing. And I don't know if it adds to the flavor or not. I mean, it would add to the scent. It's a really good drink. Painkiller is a good drink. It's kind of new to me, but it's not going to be new for long. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time.